Welcome to the Jessica and Jackie Show!
We need 175 pounds with a record of 17 races.
I have a lot of Barbie facts where I had that.
17 races. My name is David. Bitches look, man, they love me when I'm laying the we're probably kicking up down. It's on to the break of dawn and we're starting the party from down here, gentlemen.
Who needs a sweet and fruity fabulous orbit when you have the Jackinator? Ding.
She can even water your plant. She can even change the month of May to June.
Minor setback. She can only change from May to June.
She can change a magnetic chicken into the real thing. My husband needs that. Ooh, I don't want one.
Warning.
Me, hey, what else can I say? I love LA, cause over and above all, it's just another day. And this one begins where the last one ends. Pick up where we left off and get smashed again.
Give a shout out to my mommy, and my friend Desiree. And I just want you to know that I'm your number one fan.
Any of them in this building, not that many of us. And ladies love us. The chicken.
Wish we taped it. I danced my ass off and had this one girl